What's up, everybody? Got this 420 Predator engine right here. One seat of Yerf Dog. My boy Jose's go-kart right here. Let's turn it on so you guys can hear it. Alright. Key. It's ready. Everything's good, right? Looks like it's good. Well, let the engine break in first, because this is a brand new engine. First time we turn it on, so let's just let it break in. I don't want to rev it first. When the gas thing was off, that's why. All right, let's do this again. Let's take a look at over here.
My ear is ringing, dog.
We got these other.
That's a show.
This one right here, I'm actually gonna be redoing this whole thing right here. I'm gonna take off the engine. I gotta cut this off. I got some bed frame. I'm gonna cut off. Put the angle iron right here. Go that way with it. Reinforce the back. The whole thing. Gonna get all redone. This one right here is ready to go. You already know this one right here. Still gotta put the kill switch. This one right here is in the process of getting rebuilt. I just ordered a new carburetor because this carburetor got broken. Snapped off right there. So I'm gonna paint this red right here. Take that off, paint that red. Doors go-kart.
That's the main go over there. Copper.
Yeah, this one right here is my boy Fox go-kart. He was supposed to be here today to work on his go-kart. I guess he'll be here tomorrow. And now we got this one over here. The two-seater Yerf Dog. The 212 Predator engine. Non-Hemi. I put the Billy Arc flywheel. The 18-pound springs. The Mikuni carburetor, 22mm. He ain't ready.
You getting smoked, baby.
I'm gonna show him. Let's hear another engine, guys. Oh no, we can't turn this one on because I took off the spark plug for that one. Alright. So yeah, he's right. We got the other go-kart over there. It's hitting, you can't see it.
Dune buggy. Little dirt bike.
I just gotta get my Jaguar out of here. Start cleaning the garage. Spring cleaning. Alright guys, so hopefully we're gonna see this race. So he was just waiting on his exhaust to get here in the mail and the Mikuni carburetor. So we waiting for, and this one over here, all I gotta do is put the brakes on. And that's what we're about to do right now. Got the new brakes. We're about to pop that on real quick. Get this go-karts ready for this race. Hopefully this weekend. Alright guys, if you like the video, hit that like button, subscribe.
Goose234. Subscribe, hit that like button.
Yeah.
Goose234.
Just in the garage hanging out with my boys. Alright.